Assalamualaikum, welcome to STEM International Publishers. This is Tahira Riaz and today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 3, lesson number 1, state and government, social studies class 4. आप लोग भी अपनी बुक्स निकालें और मेरे साथ साथ एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करें. So let's start the exercise. So first of all we have to answer the question. Question number 1 is, what is meant by state? A state is an area of land with its government and rules. Its borders separated from other regions. A state takes care of the needs of its people like safety, education and health. And the next is, describe 4 elements of the state. A state is made up of 4 elements: people, territory, government, sovereignty. And the next is, why is the constitution needed for a country? The constitution is a set of rules which tells how to run the state. These rules help in managing the government. These rules also help everyone to know their rights and responsibilities and tell them what they are allowed to do or not. Write detailed answers to the following questions. What is a government? Differentiate between government and state. A government is a group of people who help make rules for the state. The government is an important element of a state. Difference between state and government. State. A state is made up of 4 parts: land, people, government and sovereignty. Government. A government is only a part of the state. State. A state can never be changed. Government. A government within a state can be changed. State. A state consists of a large group of people, a large number of people. Government. A government is only a group of people. The next is, what are the rights and responsibilities of the citizens according to the 1973 Constitution? Rights and responsibilities of the citizen. Rights of a citizen. Everyone has the right to live, be free and feel safe. Everyone has the right to vote. Everyone can follow their religion and believe what they want. Everyone has the right to share what they think. Everyone should be treated equally and fairly. Responsibilities of citizen. Loyalty and love for the country, respect for the rights of others, following and respecting the law, paying taxes on time, using knowledge and skills to help the country and its people. Next is, write T for true statements and F for false statements. A state is an element of the group. False. A state consists of 4 elements. True. A constitution is not necessary for state. False. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. True. The constitution protects the rights of the citizen. True. Fill in the blanks by suitable words. A state is an area of land with its government and rules. Every state works for the rights of its citizen. The government is a group of people. The constitution is a set of rules. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. Next we have to circle the correct option. What is the main purpose of a state? Option A, to make money. Option B, to take care of the people's need. Option C, to control the government. Option D, to create rules only. So the correct option is option B, to take care of the people's need. The next is, how many levels of government are there in Pakistan? Option A, 2 levels. Option B, 3 levels. Option C, 4 levels. Option D, 1 level. So the correct option is option B, 3 levels. What is the main purpose of a government? Option A, to make schools only. Option B, to wage a war. Option C, to run the country. Option D, to take care of roads only. So the correct option is option C, to run the country. What is the constitution of a country? Option A list of political parties. Option B, a list of the country's leader. Option C, a set of rules to run the state. Option D, a declaration of independence. So the correct option is option C, a set of rules to run the state. Next is, what does the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan say about Islam? Option A, Islam is not allowed. Option B, Islam is the state religion but respect other religions. Option C, Islam is the only allowed religion. Option D, there is no mention of Islam. So the correct option is option B, Islam is the state religion but respect other religions. Next is, test your brain powers. Write 4 elements of the state in the given boxes. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आपने यहाँ पे जो 4 बॉक्सेस हैं, आपने इन 4 बॉक्सेस में जो स्टेट के 4 एलिमेंट्स हैं उनके नेम्स को राइट डाउन करना है. जी, तो ये थी आज की हमारी एक्सरसाइज जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दिए और फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स किए। आई होप कि आपने भी इसको अपनी नोटबुक पे सॉल्व कर लिया होगा। तो मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।